Hey everyone, Corey from CJ's Classic Truck here, and today we're going to be showing you how to install Beltline moldings onto your C10. So for the people that don't know what the Beltline molding is, it's actually going to be the rubber piece that goes in front of the window and then the felt piece that goes behind the window. Now what this does is the rubber piece actually will end up keeping water out of the bottom of your door to prevent any rust issues in the future. One thing that we can all agree on is these trucks are not getting any younger. So with that being said, all of the factory molding and rubber seals, they're all probably starting to crack or dry rot, or they're probably even missing by now. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into replacing these moldings to prevent any future water getting into the door, and it's also just going to look a lot better than a bunch of cracked up seals. Let's get started here. First thing we're going to do is just get the pry tool in here just to be able to see the clip. Now you don't want to, pull too far away and then end up messing up the mounting tab for the clip. So just enough to where you can see it, and then pull up on it gently. Now you want to try to pull as gently as possible because you don't want to end up messing up any of these mounting tabs. It'll make your life a lot harder in the end. Alright, now that you have the rubber molding off, we're going to go ahead and work on the felt side. And it's going to be the exact same process, just prying a little bit with the clip tool and then trying to get in there with the pick. Again, just trying to be as gentle as possible. With the factory molding removed, we're good to go ahead and install the new molding. And you can actually find this molding kit on cjponyparts.com, so let's go ahead and get it installed. So I'm going to start with my rubber side first. Now what I like to do is to be able to get the actual molding lined up with all of the clips before just starting to hammer them down in. Alright, now that the rubber is installed, we can go ahead and install the felt side. So now we're ready to put the felt side in. We're going to do the exact same thing we did on the rubber side. We're going to make sure all of our clips are lined up before smacking them into place, because these clips are very easy to end up bending. Now that the felt side's installed, we're all wrapped up for the driver's side of the truck. Let's go ahead and repeat the process on the passenger side. So as you can see, installing Beltline moldings onto a C10 isn't too bad of a job at all. It's time to drop a gear and disappear, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, check out cjponyparts.com for all your classic truck part needs.